Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these 170-ounce stainless steel extra large dog food and water bowl. Alright, so today we've gotten our dog food and water bowl. It is offered in several different colors. You've got silver, aqua, black, pink, purple, red, and white. I did pick up the purple ones because they are super nice. These are really nice and huge bowls. You can see that they are stainless steel. These ones are massive. I didn't expect how big these were, but they are really good size. You can see it's got a little paw in the front. I did get the purple one. So these ones here are great for food and water. I did purchase these ones for both food bowls only. So the fact that these are large and giant, these are great for breeds from 70 pounds up to 120 pounds. I did purchase these for my Husky dogs. These are 18 by 8 stainless steel. They are dishwasher safe. They're easy clean, rust resistant. These are recommended by veterinarians. They are high capacity designs of 1/3 gallon or 21 cups of water, 170 full ounce per bowl. It is enough capacity which lasts all day, especially with your dog's water needs. So if you're using these for water that is super nice and big, so there will be enough water to last them most of the day. But I did buy these for dog food. So this one here is a really nice size. I can put enough dog food in here to last for the rest of the day. They are good quality. You can see that they are dishwasher safe, so you could put them in the dishwasher to keep them clean. They look really nice. They offer them in several different colors. I did pick up the purple ones because I did like the purple. It is super cute with this little dog print up here, and it is recommended for bigger dogs, but you can use these for smaller dogs if you'd like, but it is recommended for bigger dogs. If you're looking for a nice good size water and food bowls, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. These ones are really nice quality and they're super big.